Hello everyone, this is Sunny from Bota Welding Company. Here today I would like to introduce our 100 turns electronic anti-channeling welding rotator. This one is for our Russia customer. Today they arrived in our factory for inspection. Now you can see, this is the motorized runner, the full steel wheels. And this is the lead screw adjusting type. The Attn runner, the anti-channeling runner. Here is our customer for inspection at site. And this is the laser sensor device, automatically adjusting for anti-channeling. This is the remote control box. We have the emergency stop and the turn on and turn off the power, and the rotator forward and the rotator reverse. And we can adjust the speed here, the rotating speed. And this is the sensor device remote control box. Also there is an emergency stop and the control cabinet. We all use very famous electric parts, diamonds, invert. Okay, that's all. 好了。